Hello everyone, welcome to Math is Fun. Our lesson for today is all about solving routine and non-routine problems involving experimental and theoretical probability. Theoretical probability of an event is the number of ways that an event can occur divided by the total number of outcomes. Thus, we have theoretical probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by number of possible outcomes. Experimental probability of an event occurs to the total number of trials or times the activity is performed. Thus, we have experimental probability of an event is equal to number of times favorable outcomes occur divided by number of trials in the experiment. This is our first problem. A box contains 4 black socks and 2 white socks. 2 socks are drawn at random, one after the other, without replacement. Find the probability of drawing 2 black socks in a row. How we're going to solve this problem? Yes, you are right. We're going to use the 4-step line. First, we're going to understand the problem. We should know what is asked. So, what is asked in this problem? Yes, you are right. The probability of drawing 2 black socks in a row. What are the given facts? So, the given facts are 4 black socks, 2 white socks, and drawn 2 socks in a row. Yes, we already understand the problem. The next step is we're going to make a plan. What strategy shall we use to solve the problem? Yes, you are right. Solve for the theoretical probability. The equation we can use to solve this problem is P of black, then black, is equal to P of black times P of black. The next step is we're going to carry out the plan. Let's solve the problem. We're going to use this formula. Since we have the condition without replacement, for our first draw, P of black is equal to 4 over 6. 4/6 can be reduced to its lowest term by dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. The first sock is not replaced. For the second draw, P of black is equal to 3 over 5. There are 3 black socks that can be drawn out of 5 socks. So to get the answer, P of black, then black is equal to 2/3 times 3/5. So let's multiply. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 6 over 15 can be reduced to its lowest term by dividing both numerator and denominator by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. The final answer is 2/5. Thus, the probability of drawing 2 black socks in a row is 2/5. The last step is we're going to check. In checking, go back to your solution. Check the flow of your computation. This is our second problem. A bag contains 10 pink marbles, 6 green marbles, and 4 yellow marbles. Find the theoretical and experimental probabilities of getting a green marble. This is our solution. Method 1, theoretical probability. There are 6 green marbles. Therefore, the number of favorable outcomes is 6. There are a total of 20 marbles. Therefore, the number of possible outcomes is 20. Using the formula, we have theoretical probability of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by number of possible outcomes. So, the number of favorable outcomes is 6 and the number of possible outcomes is 20. P of green marble is equal to 6 over 20. 6 over 20 can be reduced to its lowest term by dividing both numerator and denominator by 2. So, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Therefore, the theoretical probability of getting a green marble is 3 over 10 or 3/10. This is our method 2, experimental probability. Number 1, take a marble from the bag. Number 2, record the color and return the marble in the bag. Number 3, repeat the process at least 20 times. Number 4, count the number of times a green marble was picked. Refer to the table below. Experimental probability effective is equal to number of times favorable outcomes occur divided by number of trials in the experiment. So we have probability of green marble is equal to number of times favorable outcomes occur is equal to 8. We have 8G in our table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Over number of trials in the experiment is equal to 20. Then we're going to reduce 8 over 20 to its lowest term by dividing both numerator and denominator by 4. So 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Therefore, the experimental probability of getting a green marble is 2/5. Theoretical probability is what we expect to happen, where experimental probability is what actually happens when we try it out. As more trials conducted, the experimental probability generally gets closer to the theoretical probability. I hope that you understand our lesson for today, and thank you for watching.